Hi guys, today I am going to show you how you can create effect on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for TikTok effect house. Click on that and you need to open the first website. So here you can see creativity lives here, create vibrant AR effects for TikTok. And then you simply need to click on download effect house. So sign up to get a download link for Mac or Windows. Effect house is currently only available on desktop. Enter your email to get a download link. So here you need to enter your email. So let me add my email. Okay, and click on sign up and wait for a few seconds. Then you need to go back and open email, and then you need to refresh for and you will receive a link. So wait for a few seconds. Let me go back and open again. Let me check the junk or spam. Okay, so you need to wait for a few minutes or depending on the TikTok team. Here you can see that. So currently you can see that I send a request and sooner I will receive a link to download the TikTok effect house, with the help of which I can create beautiful effects. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.